up, guys? Alright, gold PHON-ER. I'm gonna show you guys my new thing that I just bought from eBay. Catalyst. It's a cool case. It's really protective. Gives you 9.9 feet drop proof test. Right there it says. Really cool stuff. Gives you impact truss. Gives you a 23 gram feather lightweight thing. You literally read it like directly, like verbatim. And it also gives you all those goodies. So see it. Looks pretty cool. I wanted to show you guys like a little demo. I usually do demos on the channel. Let's see how it works. This is iPhone related, so we're going to put it on iPhone. PHON-ER. That's what it looks like. I'm taking it up right now. My old cheapy weepy non-brand straight up China thing. Let's see. Okay, so this is off. Look at that, guys. I don't know why it's not coming out. See it? It's literally jammed up. I can't take it off. This thing you gotta press to open. I'm pressing. There you go. Got it. The nose came off. Cool. It's out. I'm gonna clean this up a little. Using some cool. That's what it's good for, guys. This is really good because you have like kind of a shell around the screen, which really keeps the screen in a safe box. It's like a bulletproof box. Wow, looks pretty nice. Looks pretty good. The boxing is really nice looking boxing too. It's really nice. I feel like in this is like a hard plastic little thing. It's really cool. I like when people do this. That's how it looks. Catalyst. Wow, it's so light. It's so light. Super lightweight. They're right. 23 grams light. Very cool. So it looks like from the inside. Take that out. Paper. I gotta put this in there. How that turns goes in, but I'll find out right now. Definitely don't want to break it, so I gotta figure this out, guys. There are instructions. Got in there, it doesn't need instructions. Wow, it actually looks pretty good, guys. It looks solid. See? It looks pretty solid. It's very light. Put it on and see how it feels. Right, this thing was getting wet and it smelled, so I was like, F this, no more. I have so many. If you guys want some, I can send you some. Now I'm putting it on my wrist. First, it's so light. And it feels like a good material. Wow. Yeah. Guys, it is so, you don't even feel like it's on you. It's so much better. Oh my god, so much better, and it's safe. It's nice. Look how beautiful that looks. Little design. Also very cool. And I didn't even like put it hard, I just put it like light because I like light. Yeah, and it does wake up. There you go, it does wake up. I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, guys, so it works, it's fun, it's very comfortable. You don't have to feel anything. Check it out if you want to take it, sample it. That's how it looks from close. I'll show you. Fire. And then the sides is nice and cool. Best part is you still have full access to your roller, ring, whatever you want to call it. Cool. Password on mine in case I lose it. I don't want some psycho to go through my shit. And this, you know, we live in LA, so everything possible. This, I feel like I should make a little more tighter. It's not tight enough for me. I like that feeling of that kind of that military tight watch. Yeah, guys, it's really nice. Looks nice. Let's see if you see me. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's a good case. The best part is, guys, it's waterproof. Drop test. I mean, the iWatch is waterproof, but it's drop tested. It's just a good thing, and so I don't have to worry about like smells, shit, so the water getting stuck in there, and then like it got me a little kind of like a little bruise here because of the water and the material is so crap shit. Wasted 10 bucks eBay, but whatever. This is like $50 object, guys. Get how much I paid for it? 50 bucks, but I paid 20 bucks plus dollar tax, $21.70. 44 inch. This is for the 44 inch thing, and it's a mil spec. It's a mil spec standard 810 grams. I don't know what that means, but that's cool. Anyway, guys, that's about it. That's pretty much it for this video, for this demo. That's again, this is for 44 inch. That's what mine is. I have an iWATCH 4. This is for iWATCH 6, the new SC 5 and 4. So it's pretty much for all the newer ones. It's for all the watches. It's really cool. As long as it's 44 inch. That's about it, guys. Thank you for the watch. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the watch. Thank you for the love. And I'll see you at the next one.